I was flipping through the channels. He lived in a pineapple. All I saw was static. Man, what the hell is happening? He had hyper-realistic eyes. You will be the next to die. He's a spooky, creepy, spongy guy. I promise I'm not telling lies. Hey, 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 Ask my mom, and to this day she says it was the microwave. And the title card said, I love Bikini Bottom Slade. Hyper-realistic eyes. The episode, no TV guide. I went to school and told the guys they said I was full of lies. I told them at recess, he said there's no way that happened. They wouldn't believe it, but instead he talked about his game of Fire Red. There was something strange, man, deranged in it. Hyper-realistic eyes. This was not in the poking guide. After that his Game Boy died. He swore to me he would not lie.
Chevy Cruise, take one. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You say switching sides, and I guess I don't know why I changed like the tides, but I cannot tell a lie. You can't run, don't even try doing laps around this guy. If you say that one more time, say it one more time. See me on the road, drive a stick, even though I don't know how to use it, so I'm bumping down the road, including blood and bones. Leave this one room alone before you get old. Yeah, you're getting old. Nowadays, with the sun rays, what would you like to do? The sky is the limit with just me and just you. Then I got a Mazda from a Chevy, Chevy Cruise. Yeah, they switching sides. Yeah, I guess I don't know why. Yeah, we've been through the nether. I don't know how we survived. I don't know how we survived. Just playing in the mines and doing lots of crimes. Doing lots of crimes. Staying on my toes. Cause you already know that living life is hard. But to survive is pretty simple. Well, it's also difficult. Cause what if you get shingles?
But what if you get shingles? Like, what? I don't know what this happened. Tell me.
Nowadays, with the sun rays, what would you like to do? The sky is the limit with just me and just you. Then I got a Mazda from a Chevy, Chevy Cruise. Yeah, break it down.
The hip hop, the hip hop, don't stop. Bang, dang, diggity dang, diggity dang, yeah, the hip hop, the boogie, yeah, the hip hop, the boogie, yeah, the hip hop, come on, hip hop, the chorus and
Nowadays, with the sun rays, what would you like to do? The sky is the limit with just me and just you. Then I got a Mazda from a Chevy, Chevy Cruise. Yeah, switching sides, and I guess I don't know why I changed like the tides, but I cannot tell a lie. You can't run, don't even try doing laps around this guy. If you say that one more time, say it one more time. Nowadays, with the sun rays, what would you like to do?
Email from unknown address wants me to pass it on. The details, they bore me half to death. Trash it and soldier on. there's blood on my mirror and writing on the wall. I can tell someone's near and they're too big tall. I'm haunted by a electronic apparition, taunted. I need a digital exorcism. One that I recall looks like a smiling dog holding a knife inside his paw. Thought that I'd seen it all. More blood is on my desk, it's getting absurd. If you receive this message, spread the word. I'm haunted by a electronic apparition, taunted. I need a digital exorcism.
You'll never get the girl you want because you're broke as hell. You got nothing to flaunt. If I was you, then I would just give up. These words may feel like a punch to the gut, but you'll never improve and you'll never get better. And you're ugly as hell like a Christmas sweater.
'Cause I'm just a loser, I'm just a quitter now. I'm just a loser, I'm just a quitter now. Never a winner, and I'm a quitter now. I'm just a loser, I'm just a quitter now. Yeah. Went on down to Pasadena, then I caught an emphysema. Thought it was the influenza. Now I think I am a goner. If I could, I'd like to see her, but I'm sick, I'm quarantined up. Eating up the frozen pizza, then I think I'll have to eat it. I'll have to eat it. I'll have to jump on down. I'll have to
this place its home. Just out the Good Springs, where I'm all alone. A busted trailer, and they call it Below North Radio. Radio.
Now come on, boy, I got to tell you something about that place. Don't you go wander around there, son. You'll end up on the other end of a gun. You'll end up not knowing where to go, not knowing where to run. There's something there, beware. There's something in its history. The words spell it clearly.
Everyone is gone. I am all alone. Let it out. Below North Radio. Radio. In the Mojave wasteland where the geckos roam, there is a single signal that makes this place its home. Just out the Good Springs, where I'm all alone. A busted trailer, and they call it Below North Radio. Radio.
Now come on, boy, I got to tell you something about that place. Don't you go wander around there, son. You'll end up on the other end of a gun. You'll end up not knowing where to go, not knowing where to run. There's something there, beware. There's something in its history. The words spell it clearly.
Everyone is gone. I am all alone. Let it out. Below North Radio. Radio. I let it go. Wait a minute, when it takes off. Wait a minute, it's vertical. Wait a minute, select and go. Wait a minute,
Moving fast, going quick. Trip your opponents with bite or slick. Engines revving, turns ahead. Turning heads, just don't be dead.
I let it go. Wait a minute, when it takes off. Wait a minute, it's vertical. Wait a minute, select and go. Wait a minute.
On the tracks, in the whip. Training when it's raining, a faster split. Desert temples, cityscapes. Choose your fighter and start the race.
I let it go. Wait a minute, when it takes off. Wait a minute, it's vertical. Wait a minute, select and go. Wait a minute, I let it go. Wait a minute, when it takes off. Wait a minute, it's vertical. Wait a minute, select and go. Wait a minute.
T'en as marre d'attendre des mois pour passer ton permis? Avec l'auto-école Stitch, c'est super rapide et flexible. Tu peux planifier tes leçons facilement et passer ton permis rapidement grâce
Getting lost inside these halls, almost like the shipping walls. Falling dark, but there is light.